person. Alright, the teddy bear will talk to you. Hi, Erin. What will you say? Hi as well. Can you be my friend, Erin? No! Come up with the name. Yeah? Bella? 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 Bella. Any particular reason why you chose Bella? Random lang. Actually, guys, I'm writing down the birth certificate. So I'm writing here Bella. What's the name? And the name is Bella. You know what? Mga teachers, binili ko to sa Blue Magic. You know Blue Magic, right, mga teachers? And in the Blue Magic, they gave names, tama? They gave names to stuffed toy. You know what? There's already a name for this stuffed toy, and this is the name tag. Do you want to know the name of the stuffed toy from Blue Magic? I will turn over the name tag, and the name of the stuffed toy here is none other than is Bella. A perfect match. Very good intuition. A perfect match. Coming from Mommy Erin. Galing pa ng Blue Magic. Perfect match is Bella. See? It's Bella.